Hi, and welcome to the Espresso English Podcast, where you can improve your English in just a few minutes a day. My name is Shayna, and I'm the teacher at Espresso English. Make sure to visit the website, espressoenglish.net, where you can get online courses and ebooks that will help you learn English even faster. Let's get started with today's lesson.
Hey, Happy New Year! Lots of people make special plans and goals at this time of year, and we call these New Year's resolutions. In today's lesson, we'll learn lots of different phrases for the most common New Year's resolutions. It's also a great time to set your English learning goals. And if you're looking for a step-by-step program that will help you make real progress towards fluency all year long, come join the Complete Espresso English Program. In the month of January, you can get all the courses and ebooks in the program for the lowest possible price. So click on the link in the video description for more information. All right, are you ready to learn some phrases for the top 5 New Year's resolutions? Here we go. One major resolution is to lose weight. Other ways to say this and to talk about related goals are shed a few pounds. That's informal. Get in better shape. This means be in better physical condition. Get back in shape if you used to be in good physical condition but not anymore. Work out more. Work out means to exercise. Or if you want to focus on your diet, you can say you want to eat healthier, eat less, eat more fruits and vegetables. Or cut down on junk food. Cut down on means reduce, and junk food is unhealthy food. Another common New Year's resolution is to get organized, and some related goals are manage my time better, stop procrastinating or stop putting things off. Procrastinating and putting things off mean delaying your tasks and responsibilities. Be more punctual. Punctual means you arrive on time for meetings, appointments, and social commitments. Stick to my schedule. Stick to means follow or accompany closely. And have a better work-life balance. Some good financial resolutions are to spend less and save more money. You can also say you want to save up for a new car, a house, or a trip. Get out of debt or pay off debt. Debt is money you owe and need to pay back. Pay off my student loans or pay off my mortgage. Student loans means money you borrowed to pay for education, and a mortgage is money you borrowed to pay for a house. Make a budget and stick to it. A budget is a specific plan for spending money in various areas, and remember that stick to it means follow it closely. Some people hope to quit smoking or quit drinking in the new year. Some other ways to say it are kick the smoking habit. Kick is an informal way to say stop doing or eliminate. Drink in moderation. In moderation means a reasonable amount, not too much. And lay off the alcohol. Lay off in this case means to stop using or consuming so much. And our final resolution is to spend more time with family. Some goals in this area are improve my marriage, play with my kids more, reconnect with old friends. Reconnect means to contact again after some time without contact. Show my family how much I love them. Be a better husband, wife, mother, or father. If one of your New Year's resolutions is to improve your English, you can do that easily inside my complete program. It includes courses on speaking, vocabulary, grammar, pronunciation, and so much more. Again, it's available at the best possible price in the month of January. I hope to see you inside.
If you want more great English lessons, visit espressoenglish.net, where you can sign up by email to receive a free ebook with 500 plus real English phrases. You'll also find online courses to help you improve your English fast, even if you don't have much time to study. Keep practicing your English, and I hope you have a wonderful day.